people outside are doing construction. Why? Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a bold get ready with me using only drugstore makeup. So drugstore makeup is basically cheap makeup. I have different brands, Milani, NYX, L'Oreal, Maybelline, all of that stuff. It's cheap, like under $15, $20. And yeah, they have some really good products that are, if not just as good, maybe even better than the high-end products that some of you may use. Let's pin back this hair because I'm gonna get foundation and everything in my hair. And I'm gonna get these baby hairs anyway, but let's just minimize the amounts. Excuse my frizzy, straight, wavy hair. I straightened it and have been too lazy to restraighten it. Okay, anyway. So I don't remember how much this or anything I have over here costs. I buy a lot of makeup. So I will have the prices and what they are in the description box down below if you want to buy them yourselves and check them out. I'm just going to rub it all over. If you want to be technical, this is not really a primer. It's like a, I guess a liquid highlight, you want to say. As you can see, look what it just did to my face. Super red, super shiny, or pink and shiny. But I don't really have a specific set primer from the drugstore. I did have one. I just don't know where I put it. I might have used it all already. But yeah, this works too. I use this as a primer too, give me that little glow underneath everything. So yeah. Look how full coverage that is. Like, it's amazing. But of course, I'm still going to use concealer. I'm going to be using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. This is in 100 Ivory. I'm very, very pale. So next we're going to set the under eyes before they crease all over the place. I have the Revlon Photo Ready translucent powder, right? Yeah. Soft luminous finish, shine free, airbrush skin in any light. I really love this. This is what I was using before I started buying like the more expensive high-end setting powder. Another cheap one I have that works really well is the Maybelline one. And then I have Laura Mercier one, which is a little more pricey. I have that one that also works very well, but this one was like, I think this is like $8 maybe, I think. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. Okay, so I don't have a bronzer from the actual drugstore. Like, I don't have one of those, but I do have a cheap brand bronzer, and it's from Colourpop. It's their Super Shock Cheek Matte in the color Carry On, and that's what I have for bronzer. So you can buy Colourpop at Ulta because Ulta's kind of split in half between high-end makeup and then drugstore makeup. So Ulta will be on the drugstore makeup side. I think this is like $8. Colourpop is very cheap. You can mostly buy all their products online too, so they're really good. At least the good thing about this is that there's no excess because it's not powder, you know? So you don't have the powder falling all over you. So I'm actually going to go in with this setting powder from Maybelline, the Master Fix one. So, and I'm going to use it to outline right here. It just sharpens the contour look just a little bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and dab the blender. This is their Super Shock Cheek Lunch Money. This is absolutely my favorite Super Shock Cheek they have. With this, I'm just going to go on with my fingers. But it's just super, super creamy. I'm going to just put it right there. Look at that. Okay, so next I have the eyebrows I have to do. I actually have, this is the Revlon Colorstay Brow Creator. And this is in the shade, hold on, dark brown, I believe. So I did both eyebrows off camera. This is an E.L.F. Cosmetics pack. This is an E.L.F. Cosmetics eyeshadow palette with obviously like a bunch of shades. So, this is actually my sister's palette too. So this thing is freaking huge. Look at this. Ooh, look at this. So I've actually never used this palette before. My sister has never used this palette before. So we're going to use it today. And I'm just going to focus on these bottom colors right here. So I'm going to do the black, with, you know, it's going to be smoky, like a dramatic black smoky eye with a little bit of pop of color. So that's what we're going to do. So the eyelids are already prepped, primed. There's primer, there's concealer, foundation, all that crap is on there. So it's all ready to go. Maybe not much though. Let me see if I can zoom it. It's not much. It's very little. And then we're just going to go in. So I'm gonna just put this big ass shit down. And over right here, it's very light. So I'm just gonna lightly blend that right here all around. Both sides though. Let's do both of them. This one looks like the darkest one. So I'm gonna pack it on my lid. Look, and hopefully it shows up. I might have to build this up, but I mean, at least it should show up, you know what I mean? Look at that. Let's see. Okay. That's not too bad. Okay, so I don't like that palette at all. I don't like it at all. So I had to pack on so much for it to get like this and blend and pack and blend and pack and blend and pack. Look, it is still super patchy right here. I can't get this to fill. So I just blended the outside and just patted it as best as I could. And this is as best as it's going to get. It's not going to get any better than this. So I'm just going to leave it. And there is so much fallout. Like, it is all gray. Like, I tried to wipe it away with a fluffy brush. It just blended it into my skin. It is all gray all over here. So basically, like, can you see? Look at that? I have to reapply. Just reapply all of this because it's a disaster. It's a disaster. Oh my god. I'm never using this palette. This palette is basura. That's basura. It's garbage. I'm gonna, look at that. We're just gonna lightly add that right there because I love this color. Light here. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna just try this one. Let's try that one. Let's just. This is the lashes done. I did the graphic liner right here with the mascara and everything like that. The mascara I used was all on my lips. I sprayed a lot in my mouth. That did not taste good. Not at all. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I had a really fun time and very interesting time filming, even though the palette was being a pain in the, you know. So yeah, but the look came out nice in the end. Dramatic, natural, cute, bright, whatever you want to call it. Yes, so I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share this video. I will have all the prices down below in the description box if you're interested. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video, okay? Bye.